Hi, I'm Wally the water scientist, back with another science experiment for you to try at home. Today, I'm going to teach you about something pretty special. It's what makes sure there's always water for us to drink, for plants to grow, and for animals to swim in, and it's called the water cycle. The water cycle is the way water moves around and around the earth. The same water has been on Earth for billions of years. The water you drink today might have been drunk by dinosaurs a long time ago. Let's make our own water cycle and learn about it along the way. To help, I've invited along my friend Christy from Golden Valley Water.
Hi guys, today we're going to make our own tiny water cycle. Wally, what are we going to need for today's experiment?
Well, Christy, we will need a Ziploc bag, some water, blue food dye, sticky tape, scissors, pencils, and pictures of the water cycle.
Okay guys, our first step is to colour in and cut out the water cycle pictures. You'll find these pictures in the water cycle in a bag worksheet provided with the link to this video. If you don't have a printer, don't worry, you can just draw your own pictures. Now we need to get our Ziploc bag and attach all our pictures. The first part of the water cycle that we'll be sticking on is evaporation. Evaporation is a big word. I wonder what that means.
Oh, I know. This is when the heat from the sun warms up the rivers and oceans. It turns the water into water vapour. This is like steam coming out of a kettle. It rises up and up into the sky.
Thanks Wally. So I've stuck on our evaporation in the sun. Next we've got this cloud that says condensation. Wally?
When the water vapour gets up into the sky, it cools down and turns into tiny droplets of water to form clouds. This is called condensation.
I love looking up at the clouds, but when I see a big dark cloud like this, I know it's time to get the washing in.
You're right, Christy. When the clouds get big and heavy and can't hold the water, we get precipitation, which is when rain, hail or snow falls to the ground.
Cool. Well, let's stick our rain on. And now we have all the parts of the water cycle. So now we're going to add our water. Now I've put some blue food dye into here, but you don't need to do that. I just like the way that it looks. So I've put about 2 cups of water in. And then an important step is to make sure that the bag is sealed all the way up. Okay, so now that our water cycle is finished, I've found a really nice sunny spot here in the window. So I'm going to pop my water cycle here and we'll come back later and see what's happened. Okay, so our water cycle in a bag has been sitting in the sun for a few hours now. So let's have a close look at what's happened.
The water has warmed up from the heat of the sun. Some has evaporated to the top of the bag where it has condensed, and then precipitation has occurred and it has fallen back down. There we go. We made our own water cycle. We hope you enjoyed today's science experiment. Make sure you have a go at home.